Now, my administration floor block, so over here. Now, the way I'm going to build the below ground here is according to this kind of detail here as well. So I'm going to build a below ground wall like so, okay, from ground level down to the top of a strip foundation, and I'll have that strip foundation either sitting above or slightly below or the same level as the pads, okay, something along those lines, but it'll come up to ground floor level. Right, now notice as well that the center of this wall here is this construction line there, right? And I'm measuring a distance of 95 millimeters to get me to the center of the CLT, which will sit on top of the slab. Okay, so what I'm going to do is when I run this wall around, I'll be able to put my slab up on top of that, or I'll just continue this block work up so that the CLT sits down directly on top of the blockwork, something like that. Okay, that's the strategy, and let's see how we get on with that. The offset figure is 95, that's the one to remember. So it's going to be a wall, and it's going to be a below ground wall. So let's see what we have here. No, it's the FND ones that I'm looking for. Let me just try this one. Okay, so I've got 100, 90, and 150, right? And I think that corresponds with that detail that I have. This shouldn't necessarily be an air opening, to be honest with you. This should be some insulation. So I just found my H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, polyurethane. We're going to go with that one. 90. Okay. Now, so what we got to do here is, so I'll go from ground floor to ground floor, like I always do. I'm in the ground floor plan, and this is how I like to draw my below ground walls. I'll put in a figure of minus 900 just for the moment. We're going wall center line right now, but I want to offset this by 95. Okay, escape. Now, and I want to draw this clockwise as well, so I'm going to be starting over here. Okay, let's go back in again. Wall. This one here. 900, 900. Offset. No, that's the top offset. So here's the offset. There it is. That's what I was looking for. 95. Now, I'm just going to draw one of these. Okay, just going to leave that there. And I want to double check and make sure that that is correct and it's right. So I'm going to pick the I've hidden the PDF. So now going over here in the PDF, that doesn't look too bad. It's this one. Never mind that piece there, because I just shifted this up so that it's I'm using that grid line more than anything else, and it is this one here. Now is that 95 back this way? Is that correct? I'll just have to double check that now and see. Now I think I'm spot on here. Okay, so I'm going to do create similar, and again make sure that the offset is 95, and I'll take it from here. Right, now I'm going to follow my grids here now. what I should do is turn off the snaps on the PDF. Over to TL as well. Oh. Okay, so I've come out of that command. I'm going to turn off the snaps here. Sorry, excuse me. Oops, I didn't realize that comes out in the microphone, so clearly sorry about that. Okay, create similar. And it is from there. Okay, now it's not correct. Create similar and put in the 95. Now that's better. Again, I'm just going to ignore that little extension part there. We get the main sections in here like so. Yeah, we're getting there. And again, this almost provides us with a shuttering right up to there. Okay, now let's take a look at that 3D. Right, let's go in underneath here, and what we're going to do is put a foundation underneath that. So into structure, and into wall, and into a 900 by 300, I think. And I'm just going to hit the tab button. And has that gone in everywhere? I do believe it has. Okay, so there's my foundation in there. Last bit to do is to do our slab. Okay, and this will be architecture floor. And I'm going to check out this one and see what that one is like. So again, I'll bring up the structure here, and you can pause the video and take a look at that. Screed, slightly smaller slab, same insulation, same there. Okay. And for this one, I'll use pick walls. They're not the right walls. Okay, we'll do that again. Floor. This one. Back in here now, it's that one. That's the one I'm looking for. And then the side of the ground beam. Let's fillet these ones here now. Now let's see if that'll work. Got a couple of lines over here. Yeah, I see them. So let's fillet this one and this one. Okay, where else? Over here. Let's fillet. Don't attach. Please. And there's my slab gone in there. Right. Now, something I just thought of there. I'm going to bring this slab up to meet that level there. Or we could leave it down. Could increase up the screed or something like that. The reason I've got the depression in this over the arena floor is because I'm putting in a sprung timber floor in there. I don't really need to do that with this slab here, so I could actually lift it up by 100 if that's what I wanted to do, and make a little adjustment around here if that's what I wanted to do. So you can have a little think about that and whatever suits you better. But that is basically your structural model. We don't need to do any more on it than that. So you can save that, and we will bring this in, and we will insert this into the architectural model, and we will build in our SIPs walls, or our CLT based walls and all that kind of stuff in the architectural model. So that's it.